Hi, my name is Jessica Chakova and I will present my paper about the development of a holistic model to support creation of online activities. I have developed this model while implementing an online learning environment for beginner learners of French at Monash University. On this platform, I have put in place online activities to complement face-to-face classes in order to enhance students' learning experience. One of my objectives was to develop a model to facilitate the creation of online activities while considering the activity, the learner, the teacher, and the technology as a whole. My model was based on 4 existing models that I have combined. First, the diary framework, which allowed the teachers to identify the learning designs to be considered when applying technology in an activity, such as calling for stimulation or collaboration. Bloom's revised digital taxonomy helps to understand students' learning process from low order to higher order thinking skills while using technology. The TPAC model defines the sort of knowledge and skills that teachers require to successfully implement a technology-based design. It implies the ability to choose the appropriate tool for the task, the ability to know how the subject can be changed with the application of the technology, and the ability to know which teaching approach fits better. The SUMMER model helps to understand the impact of technology on the student learning from the enhancement to the transformation level. The model I have developed and named Digitally Enhanced Learning Model call for the combination of these 4 models. It is represented in this diagram in which the activity is the central point. The activity is connected to the 3 components related to the teacher, the student, and the technology in use. The connection related to the teacher and the student are placed intentionally on the same level to emphasize the horizontal relationship between the 2 parties, as the teacher should be seen more as the facilitator who promotes collaboration. The connection related to the tool is placed at the summit of the triangle to show that it is actually the technology in use that allows the enhancement of the activity. However, it is important to note that the size of the 3 components are identical to reinforce the idea that they should be taken in equal consideration to ensure the effectiveness of the activity. Now let's see the application of the DEL model to an activity I have created. In this activity, a native speaker presents his passion and the students question him asynchronously via voice thread application. This activity is based on collaboration as students co-construct knowledge about someone. From TPAC perspective, the teacher allows students to choose their mode of expression, caters for asynchronous communication, and provides feedback. From Bloom perspective, this activity deals with the evaluation level as students need to check others' questions before asking their own to avoid repetition. And according to the SUMMER model, this activity relates to the highest level, redefinition, as the technology in use allows students to interact with people outside the class that they would not be able to access without the technology in use. The DEL model allows teachers to consider their own role, the activity, the student, and the technology in a holistic approach, but this model should be used in a flexible way. Indeed, even a basic activity can be transformed if the right technology is used. For example, brainstorming on a digital wall allows users to see what others think. Teachers do not have to target the highest level of cognitive skills. The lowest level, like remembering, can be useful, for example, in using interactive flashcards to help students memorize vocabulary. An activity can be useful even when the technology is used at the lower level. Autocorrection features hold the potential of providing instant feedback, for example. For more information, please check these publications and don't hesitate to email me. Thank you for your attention.